Hello everybody, this is Matt Torres and I'm the instructor for Kinesiology 300. I'm going to do a video orientation to our course. The webpage that you're looking at right now is the student view of our Canvas site. I strongly recommend that you navigate through our course using the Modules tab right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. So you open up the Modules tab, and I'm just going to make sure they're all collapsed. And each module has its own title, and it's pretty self-explanatory. The very top module here says Start Here First. You just open up that module, and then this is an information page here. If you were just to open that up, you'd get some instructions on what you need to do from the very beginning. Another thing that you need to do right away is to purchase well, you don't really need to purchase a textbook. You need to purchase Connect. And so that the information for textbook and Connect is in this module here. So if you were to open this module and then open up this information page, you'll get some pretty detailed information on what you need to do. The main thing that you really need to do is you need to register for the McGraw-Hill learning management system called Connect. And the reason why I say that is because once you register for that, you will realize that you get an electronic version of the textbook along with your subscription to Connect. So if you're okay with reading the materials electronically, then you're all set. You only need to pay for one fee, and that is the registration for Connect. If you're somebody who likes to have a paper version to refer to, there are other options here, like you can do a textbook rental, or you can do a text only, or once you register with Connect, you will realize that you can purchase a loose leaf version. If you decide to purchase a text only, there'll be 2 fees associated with that. You'll need to buy the book, and then you also need to buy a registration code or key code or card or access to Connect. So each of these modules or tabs have information on how you can go about purchasing the necessary resources that you need for this course. It's all right there. I'm going to navigate back to the Modules tab. Once you've done registering for Connect, and again, that's the first thing that you need to do, is you need to complete the course orientation under Module 1. All of these assignments will be due September 2nd, and those who do not complete, I might even change that now that I'm looking at it. Anyway, stay tuned. If I change that due date, I will let you know. But all those who do not complete the orientation assignments may be dropped from the course. So you see this little icon here that looks like a page? Well, that's an informational page. So you need to open up that page. It's a little icon created by Canvas. And then here are the 3 tabs that you need just to pay attention to in regards to the orientation. Go back to the Modules tab. And then once you've done the orientation, then you need to proceed to the course content, and that begins in Module 2. And you notice I put a little header here saying that all the assignments associated with this particular module are due on September 16th. Now, just a word here. The majority, like 99.2% of the assignments have the start date of August 20th. I believe there's only 2 assignments that do not, and that's the discussion assignments. There's a discussion assignment under the biomechanics segment in Module 3. And you'll find that in the informational page here for the biomechanics segment information page. And then on the very last module under Title IX, the Title IX segment, there's a discussion associated with this segment, And that assignment, that discussion assignment, starts sometime like in the end of November, and the biomechanics discussion starts sometime like in the middle or the first part of October. But anyway, you'll just have to check that. So you just need to remember that. Other than that, I believe most assignments have the start date of August 20th. Okay, just some information in regards to some of the resources and informational pages here. So under Module 3, you see that it contains information regarding chapters 4, 5, 6, and 7. But there's two additional segments here, a biomechanics segment and exercise physiology segment. It's very important that you navigate to these segments through the modules tab and then open up this information page. Because in this information page is a lot of additional information, some videos, a paper, a quiz that's associated with this. I believe it might be associated with the video. And then here is, like what I mentioned earlier, a link to the discussion thread on biomechanics. So getting access to the quiz and the biomechanics discussion page is only available from this information page. So please make sure, that's why it's really important that you navigate to this course content through the modules tab. And same thing in the exercise physiology segment. There's a paper for you to do, and then there's a couple assignments that are associated with it. Okay. So once again, I'm going to repeat myself here. The main way to navigate through the course is by using the modules tab. Now you could use the grades tab, and I can see where the grades tab can be beneficial because of the way this sheet is organized. It has the title of the assignment, it has the due date of when that assignment is, and it tells you how many points available with each of those assignments. But once again, if you navigate to these non-Connect or written assignments like the social justice talking points or the biomechanics quiz, you may not gain access to the resources that will help you or that will assist you in being able to answer the quiz questions or to be able to answer the discussion prompts properly. That happens quite often, and students end up getting marked down for that. So make sure that you navigate to that informational page that can be accessed through the modules. Okay. Another word about how I arrange the grading for my assignments. So the assignments are basically organized into 1, 2, 3, 4 groupings. The orientation group, assignments group, smart book group, and exams group. And I've assigned different weighted percentages that affect or that are associated with your final grade for the course. So the assignments associated with the orientation are 10%. Those written assignments like the biomechanics page, the exercise physiology position paper, the discussions, all those written assignments or assignments that are not associated with Connect are weighted at 48%. So that's a big percentage, a big chunk of your grade. So really pay attention to those assignments, please. The Connect assignments are the Smart Book assignments and your exams. And those are weighted at 21% each. So going back and repeating myself one more time, please make sure that you register for Connect. There is a registration due date for August 31st on Connect, so please make sure that you take care of that right away. Okay, I think that's really about it. If you have any questions or concerns, you can use the inbox right here. It's a function of Canvas, and you can send me an email using that inbox. All right. Okay. Glad to have you with me for this semester, and I hope you enjoy the course. Thank you.